everybody. I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited because today I'm joined by the beautiful Catherine Graham, Vice President of Business Development with Baptist Health. She has graciously invited us out here for, I call it a sneak peek of what's happening here at this beautiful facility here in Nocatee. So Catherine, thank you for having us.
Oh, Heather, thank you. Thank you to Nocatee on behalf of the entire Baptist Health team, the family that has been in Nocatee for almost 5 years now. We are so thrilled to open this brand new type of campus and expand the way that we can offer you all of the services, programs, and physicians that you need to take care of your own health and that of your family. So you'll notice we don't have our mask on right now, but we're going to get ready to come on in and see this beautiful campus. So before we do so, we're going to mask up.
Wonderful. And as Catherine was saying, you know, Baptist has been here in Nocatee for 5 years serving residents of Nocatee. You might remember, if you're watching this and you're a resident, you used to go visit the primary care by our Publix Town Center, the Nocatee Town Center. So now this is a one-stop shop. You will come here to the beautiful Baptist Health. And as we walk in, look how grand this is. Catherine, how big is this facility?
It is 87,000 square feet. It is two-story and really is, as I said before, it's one of a kind for us because it really is centered on health, wellness, and well-being. The art, what you'll notice is the local artwork from Northeast Florida, which is really unique and we think has everything to do with staying well and feeling good when you walk in.
Absolutely. Can we walk over to the primary care, Catherine? Let's check that out first.
We're so thrilled to be able to give primary care more space so they can continue to take care of folks in Nocatee. This group has been here, as I said, for a while, but they are thrilled to offer you same-day, next-day appointments. They take care of families and individuals and from all walks and phases of health and wellness, 18 months and older.
I love that. So when we walked in, just remember, this is to the left. And then right past the primary care, we've got this newer area. So Catherine, what will be over here?
This is our Center for Healthy Living. And this is a place where you can come and work on your health goals with a certified health coach at no cost to you. And you can get your biometrics drawn all the time, have health screenings. But really important, if we'll look over right to our right, this is also our connectivity hub where you can learn about the newest devices, digital aids, monitors, apps that you can use to manage your own healthcare, and many that our healthcare providers and doctors recommend. So it is our connectivity hub, so you can, don't be afraid of digital and don't be afraid of virtual, because it's all of those things you can use to take care of your health.
And then the coolest thing I saw when we came in that residents are going to love is there is a little eatery right here. It's called Seasons. Is it
52.
Seasons. I love that. And so what? Yes, it's Seasons. And what's has?
No, wait a minute, Heather. Seasons 52. I think someone already took that.
I was giggling.
I might get us.
No, it's Seasons Cafe.
Yeah.
No, that's fine.
And it's their first day today, but you're right. You can come off that trail and grab yourself a smoothie, a bottle of water, and a quick healthy snack, and a real gathering place.
So I love this. So again, you don't have to have an appointment here at Baptist, like waiting on something. You can literally come off the trails. Just obviously remember to bring that mask because you are entering a health facility. But you can grab some great little snacks, some food. But if you do have an appointment, what a great place to hang out and wait for those appointments.
You can, and you can scoot right over to our connectivity desk if you need to plug in and recharge.
Love that. Now look, we've got a Brooks Rehabilitation here now in this Baptist Health facility.
Brooks is a key partner for us, and certainly in the opportunity to get well and to recover and restore your health. And so they do adult physical rehabilitation in those walls and great work, a long partner of Baptist Health. They're thrilled to be here. They have now had, this doubles their space. They were running out of space in their other locations, so they are here and ready to take care of all your rehab needs.
So this is to the left as we walked in, and then right next door, Wolfson's Children's Rehabilitation. And everyone that has a kid that lives here in all of North Florida knows Wolfson's is the place to go. I'm going to give you a great example. By the way, when my son broke his arm here in Nocatee in our backyard, where did I know to drive him to? Wolfson's. So to have this rehabilitation here in Nocatee, so will this be something after they get taken care of at let's say a hospital, they come
That's
here
right.
for that rehab?
And let me say two things in particular about this rehab that is so unique. In addition to what you just said, Heather, the Wilson Children's Rehab here is offering intensive physical therapy. Right now, parents are having to travel down to Tampa and to Boston for this type of therapy. They can now come here. It's for kiddos with cerebral palsy and other developmental needs. It is intensive. It lasts 3 to 4 days in duration, and it is 3 to 4 weeks at a time.
I love that. And again, to have the, I want to remind people with Nocatee, with the vision of Nocatee, the park group, the developers, they really wanted to focus on a healthy living community. They went around the United States. They looked at other areas. And so when they brought us Nocatee over 13 years ago, they brought us fitness trails. They brought us hiking trails, multiple pools. And so this partnership with Baptist is really putting just that icing on the cake. I mean this with all my heart as a resident, as somebody who loves this community, to have Baptist Health partner and come here to our home is such a gift for residents.
Lauren, if you want to take a look, the artwork will make you smile. It is intended
Oh
to.
my.
It is.
Wow.
To the child and all of
Look
us.
how cute.
Bad Bunny.
Look at
Oh
the bunny.
my.
It's a very wise bunny.
I love this. So obviously a TV
see
set
it
over
over
here.
Wow.
So again, you've got these waiting areas in front of each of the rehabilitation areas, but then as we walk out, this massive seating area. So there's just so much space, which I love.
Before we leave, I just want to mention one more thing, and that is, as we celebrated with our grand opening, a unique grand opening of the Carnival, the drive-thru.
Which was a huge hit, by the way, over how many residents?
450. We had to
That's-
extend it by an
That's
hour.
cars, by the way.
That's cars, carts, wheels, all sorts of trains, trains and automobiles. But what I wanted to mention is parents mentioned as they drove through no need for speech therapy. We heard that, and now speech therapy is now also available in this rehab center. So we want to make the point that we are listening and partnering and with the community and with community members. Yes, we're your healthcare solution, but we'll get there through partnership
Absolutely.
by being a listening, responsive organization. So you'll see our partner, I think, Lawrence caught the Y a couple of times. The YMCA
Yes.
of Northeast Florida is here. And I am telling you, since the day that they practiced turning on the lights, people have been coming in and joining. In fact, I believe this morning, let's go back, there was a 6 a.m. outdoor exercise class.
Wow.
Where people started and got to see the sun come up.
Is this YMCA open 7 days a week?
It is.
Okay, so
Yes.
7 days a week.
Yes.
So what a great other thing. Again, that healthy living partnership with Baptist. We've got Wolfson's, Brooks Rehabilitation,
right.
and the Y partnering together with Nocatee. And look at this. It's like we paid someone to come out here and shoot some.
Right.
What is this amazing area called, Catherine?
This is called the Airnasium, Heather. It's one of a kind in Northeast Florida. It is a magnificent open air facility. So not only can you come and shoot baskets, they are thinking of setting up maybe a pickleball court on this as well. It's made for little kiddos to come take shots as well as experienced former NBA players out here, right? You'll notice it's that the golf cart rings it, and then also the beautiful lake out in front of it as well. And if you pan up, I'm not sure you can see really well, but you can see all of the aerobic equipment and the beautiful view that when all of us are on those treadmills putting our steps in, we get this beautiful panoramic view of the Nocatee community.
And I'm going to separate and take this off because I want to remind people where we are located. Catherine was just mentioning we have a Greenway trail system. That Greenway trail, it's actually 1 mile from Valley Ridge. So our residents that live on the northern side, Artisan Lakes, your Kelly Point, your Timberland Ridge, your Cypress Trails, you can take that trail. It winds around this beautiful, there's actually a woman walking, I don't know if you can see that, but she's walking around the Airnasium. And then we have golf cart parking on the far side, so on the water side of Baptist HealthPlace. Otherwise, if you're driving in a car, you're going to be taking Preservation Trail, Preservation Trail is a reminder. That's the one that the water parks is on the left, Tidewater, Willow Cove, and then on the right-hand side, you've got our Nocatee Town Center neighborhoods. I want you to turn on Colonnade Drive. Colonnade Drive, directly across from the Willow Cove townhomes. Again, residents, you know where I'm talking about. Colonnade Drive takes you right here to Baptist Health, this amazing, amazing wealth, health, just wellness, everything you can think of. It literally touches on all of it. So Catherine, I'm going to get you on camera one more time because Catherine Graham, we are also going to do another video because there's more exciting things coming to Baptist Health we didn't even talk about. So we're going to join Catherine again, hopefully in a few months.
We're not done yet. We are so looking forward. Borland Groover will join us upstairs with our specialty practices. So if your gut's in a knot, don't worry, they're coming. As well as several OBGYN practices and our Baptist heart specialist and cardiology group.
And I want to ask you, Catherine, because we didn't talk about hours and what happens when the lights go out here.
Thank you. When the lights go out, our services don't stop. In fact, when we opened the doors of Baptist HealthPlace at Nocatee, we also launched our personal branded Baptist HealthPlace app. It's on-demand 24/7 physician visits. So you don't sometimes get to pick when you have that sinus infection or sore throat, and you have our physician partners on demand and ready through that app, Baptist HealthPlace.
So Baptist Health, the #1 stop right now here in Nocatee for health, wellness, and just can't thank them enough. So thank you, Catherine.
Thank you.
Thank you for always watching Walk Through Wednesday. We look forward to seeing you again here at Baptist. Bye, y'all.
Bye.